Hi there, I am thrilled to share with you the new Farmasi Double Lash Extend Mascara. This is my first time using it. If you're interested, please keep watching. This is the first ever two-step mascara featuring a double wand to help achieve the perfect false lash look. You can customize exactly what you need to get, 2 times the volume or 2 times the length, or my favorite, both. The mascara's double wiper technology gives you all the options to create your own lash look. I'm excited to have you here. It will be so fun to try this out with you and show you the before and afters of this amazing mascara. First, I want to say hello. My name is Debbie Savage and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I provide helpful tips on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I am so happy to have you here. Now that I am properly set for step 1, what you will do is comb through your lashes from root to tip with the main applicator for a lengthening effect. I like to start by addressing my bottom lashes, so I use that lengthening brush to grab those lashes. I really want to amp them up. I usually use a Lash primer mascara, so I'm kind of excited to see how this lengthening brush will work and if it will give me that lovely effect, false eyelash effect that I want. I am pleasantly surprised. I love the way my lower lashes look. I just used a few little mini coats. There's my before, here's my after. There is a great effect and I love the way it looks. Okay, we are still at step 1, but I am going to take that lengthening mascara and work on my upper lashes. I like to do this because when I work my lower lashes first, they get dried, and so when I position my eyes for my upper lashes, there's just no mess. Anyway, I love the wand. It really holds on to each hair really well. I really like to take my time to grab each lash, so make sure to coat each lash with the main applicator for that lengthening effect. And I like to put it at the base of my lashes and wiggle it up, making sure that all of the makeup is coating my lashes evenly. And you know what? This is just so relaxing. Enjoy the process. You guys, so far I'm really enjoying this process. I am continuing on and focusing on extending the length of my upper lashes by using their amazing silicone brush. So while I am doing that, I wanted to take the time to introduce you to Farmasi. It is new to the US. However, it's been a longtime favorite in Europe. Founded in Istanbul for over 70 years ago, they have decades and decades of experience making the best makeup products. Okay, I am ready for step 2. Are you guys? I know I took my merry time in step 1, but I really wanted to make sure I got my lashes lengthened. And now let's pack in that punch and volumize those babies. So here I go, making sure to coat my lower lashes first. I didn't really have to because they already look great from the lengthening coat earlier, but I wanted to go ahead and do that to show you what it would look like if you also incorporated step 2, like what you see here. Grab that applicator wand, start at the base, keep your eyes wide open, and just begin applying the volumizing mascara. And just take your time with evenly applying coats, making sure to get the base and lengthen it all the way to the tip. Comment below if you are a mascara addict like me. I have extremely high expectations for mascara. It's got to do what it says it does, and so far this mascara from Farmasi, I'm quite impressed. Drum roll please. Here are my lashes after using Farmasi's Double Lash Extend Mascara. I love the way that it looks. It looks like I have like a natural set of false eyelashes, not overdone, but bold enough where my eyes really pop. Here are my lashes with no mascara, and then just the mascara on the bottom lash. And then here we go with the mascara on both top and bottom. For me, I think this mascara is brilliant and I'm excited to use it.